Welcome back to another hot and fresh review. As you can tell, I got a upper respiratory infection, but I had to do this thing for you because today, inside this box, look at that. We got some Bojangles, or some Bojangles, whichever one you want to call it, and we got the, hold on, look at that. It's called the Bodog. And I modified it. I took the Carolina Gold or whatever you want to call it off, and I put mayonnaise and I put Melinda's ghost pepper sauce. So, cheers, and we're going to see how this tastes. Oh yeah, get these plain and add your own sauce and they're 10 times better. But even with the sauce they come with, they're good. The Bodog is a hit. I love it. See that signature tender in there? Forgot what they call their tenders, but they're pretty good. I'm going to have to give it a 9.1. This is really good. Go to Bojangles and get you a Bodog. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.